Welcome to your Wunderbar and short yoga break at work, also called no yoga pants yoga. That's right, you won't be needing your yoga leggings today. Whatever you're wearing right now is perfectly fine. And you won't need a yoga mat either, as long as the floor is not slippery or you're wearing your own shoes, because it is a standing yoga sequence. And this time I thought, let's switch it up a little bit. I'm German, so I thought, why not include some of these German words we already use in our English language in this yoga class today? In case you're wondering why there's a Tannenbaum right next to me, well, I filmed this video right before Christmas. Have fun and enjoy. My name is Kolende, and let's get started. Let's find a comfortable standing position. You could leave your hands in your pockets or arms down by your side, or maybe you want to step your feet a little wider. We're going to use the power of our breath to ground ourselves, to leave the Weltschmerz and angst behind us just for a moment. For that, you may close your eyes or find a soft gaze instead. We're going to do 2 rounds of conscious breathing together. Now take a deep breath into your lower abdomen, fill it up like a balloon. Add another sip of air into your chest. And now slowly breathe out of your mouth, as slowly as you can. And one more time, deep belly breath in, expand through all sides of your torso. Add more air into your heart space. And now breathe out through your mouth even slower than the one before. Press out all the air out of your lungs. Nice, flutter your eyes open. Welcome back. Imagine there's an identical you right next to you, so I'm mirroring you. So your identical you is standing right here, and it's not your doppelganger. Breathe in, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lower your right arm and pause in midair, almost like you're high-fiving yourself. Now feel into this sensation where you're connecting with yourself. How does that feel for you? Take one more inhale. Exhale, twist your right arm back and leave your chest facing forward. Breathe in. Exhale, bring your arm all the way to the front, like you're stopping any negativity. And then slowly release. Now your identical you just jumped over to your left side. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, lower your left arm and pause in midair again, high-fiving yourself again. Feel into that experience and breathe. Take one more inhale. Exhale, twist your left arm back and keep your heart facing forward. Inhale. Exhale, bring your arm all the way to the front, almost like you're also stopping any poltergeists. And now release. Now step your left leg behind your right and bring your right arm on top of your hip. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, lateral stretch to your right side. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, untangle your legs. Switch. Bring your left arm on top of your hip and now bring your right leg behind your left. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, untangle. Wunderbar. Now imagine you're feeling the Wanderlust and you're just marching in one spot, and you can use this opportunity to loosen up any tension in your body by shaking your arms and your legs, whatever feels organic to you. And now we're taking a break. Interlace your arms behind you, just like that, and this is your rucksack, your backpack, and it's pretty heavy. So you're holding on really tightly to it. Step your feet a little bit wider and then rotate to your right side. Lift your front foot to stretch your leg and bend your back leg to activate your leg muscles. Lean back a little bit. And then slowly push your weight forward, stay rooted in your back heel. Micro bend your front knee. Pull your navel in and keep your spine long, and you choose however far you want to fold forward. Inhale, press yourself up. Exhale, twist over to your left side. Switch your grip. And then lift your front foot and bend your back leg. Lean back a little as well. Feel the engagement in your legs and core muscles. And then slowly press your weight forward. Stay connected with your back heel. Micro bend your front knee. Pull your belly button in, lengthen your spine. And again, you choose how far you want to fold forward. Inhale, press yourself back up. Exhale, come forward and release your backpack. It's uber filled with sauerkraut, pumpernickel and veggie bratwurst, and some kitsch as well. So let's drop all that baggage and find some ease and lightness instead. Bring your hands to your hips, step your feet a little wider, toes are out, heels are in. Inhale, star pose, open up. Exhale, horse pose. And I can't go as deeply here, otherwise my pants will go kaput. So be mindful of that, please. And now find eagle arms. Pretzel your right arm underneath your left, just like that. Connect your wrists and palms or bag yourself instead. Now move over to one side and the other. And then lean back, lift your elbows a little more. And then pull your elbows into your core around your spine. And come back forward and switch. Bring your left arm underneath your right, connect your palms and wrists, or bag yourself again. Now move over to the other side. And then to the opposite side. And then lean back, lift your elbows, and draw your elbows into your belly. And come back to center. Inhale, star pose, open up. Exhale, toe heel your feet together or jump together. Gather your hands in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking care of your body, your mind, your Gesundheit, your health. And I hope you had a wonderful little break at work. Thank you so much for joining. Namaste. I hope you had fun. Feel free to check out my playlist Yoga at Work for more videos. And I hope to see you soon again. I'm gonna have some Apfelstrudel right now. Let me know what your favorite cake is. Thank you, bye bye.